She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So guys, for today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and pay homage to my dad and make one of my favorite meals he used to make. I'm going to go ahead and make a crock-pot version though of some smothered pork chops. So this was one of my favorite recipes that he used to make, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. So if that does sound good, guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of each time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here is my version of smothered pork chops, crock-pot style. I went ahead and used the boneless chops. You can definitely go ahead and use the bone-in chops. I highly recommend that. We've got that delicious homemade onion and mushroom gravy. Then went ahead and just put that on top of some egg noodles and paired it with some peas and carrots. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.